Hello, this is part 2 of the Hoover concrete mixer motor. Just looking inside here, terminals, circuit breaker, the coils all in there. It's a motor from the 80s, I think. It's a nice little switch. Certainly bolted on well, so this won't be moving in a long time. This is an old motor. Still goes, but decided to replace it because it was getting a bit dodgy. Put the things back on properly. Dangerous. And there, it's all inside. The coils. It's the power cord over here. It's a nice PDL one. All in there. This spun a bit fast, but this spins faster for some reason. The RPM I think is 1,425. That's all the readings. 240 volts, 50 cycles. Frame 398 in horsepower, 1/4. The number says just random 37 there. I'm not sure what that is, but that might be the RPM 1,450. But this one spins just a little bit slower, not much difference. It's a nice old motor, but yeah. But the power cord's a bit dodgy. This is the actual concrete mixer, and so we just take this off once we're not using it on that little thing there. And yeah, so until next time, thank you for watching.